Okay, after our little technical difficulties, we can continue with number 2. So make sure you're on the next page. It says, Tony and his family drove 7/12 of the distance across Michigan on a Saturday. What are 3 ways that they could break up that drive into 2 parts so that they can stop and walk their dog? All right, so let's think about what we're asked to do. So we're talking about this family that's driving across this distance. They're going 7/12 of a distance across Michigan. And how can they break this trip up so that the dogs, they can take and give the dogs a break and take them for a walk? Okay, so Tony and his family drove 7/12 of the distance across Michigan on a Saturday. What are 3 ways that they could break up the drive into 2 parts so that they can stop and walk their dog? So the part that they're breaking up is this 7. So how can we break 7 into different parts? 3 different ways to do this. So let's take a peek at the first one. This here is representing, we need to represent 7/12 using the first break and the second break. So let's say for the first break, we take and we go 1, 2, 3 twelfths of a mile, or 3/12 of the distance, and then we take a break. If we go 3/12 of the distance for the and then we take a break, what is the second amount that we need to record before we get to where we're supposed to be getting? Well, if we take 3 away from that 7, that's going to give us 4. And so this next part of the journey or the drive is going to be 4/12 of the way. Okay, so that's one way. We have 3/12 plus 4/12. So let's take a peek at this one. Let's take a peek at another way we could break up 7/12. Well, another way we could do it is maybe we go 5/12 of the way. So let's take in and color in 5 of these. And if we have 5, we go 5/12 of the way and then we stop, how many more do we need to go? Well, if you took 5 away from 7, that's going to leave us with 2. Okay, so 5/12 plus 2/12 equal 7/12. Let's look at a last way of doing it. So another way to represent it is maybe we just go 1/12 and we want to go and maybe there's a little park that we like and we take the dogs out. But that means if we only go 1/12 of the way, we still have some distance to go. And if you take 1, subtract that away from 7, so 7 minus 1 will give us 6. And so we need to continue still to go 6/12 of the distance. Let me see if I did that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Right? So let's save that. So let's go down here and it says to complete the equation for each fraction model. So based on the numbers that I just used, we are now going to create and write those fractions. So in this case, if we forgot what we did, it's already shaded in here. We have 1, 2, 3/12. So let's find our tile that has 3/12 and drag it up. And then we're going to add 1, 2, 3, 4/12. Right there. Okay, let's look at the next one. 7/12, we did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5/12. So let's pull our tile that says 5/12, and we have 1, 2, 2/12. And then this one here was 1/12, and we did 6/12 over here. So let's check our answer. And we would be correct. Remember, each one of these is a unit fraction. And so these 3 unit fractions represent 3/12. All right, my friends, you are going to continue working on HMH. So log into your Monday HMH. It should say 14.1 next to it. And get working. If you have any difficulties, make sure you reach out to Ms. LaFaux or myself. Email us, and we can sit and have a chat with you if you're not sure. All right, have a good day.